Hi people. So have you been wondering which particular body wash should I use? I guess it can be quite confusing when you're like trying to get a particular body wash that suits your skin, that suits your complexion, that's not going to give you any issue at all. Trust me, it can be really discouraging, frustrating. You'll be like, you know what, I'm done with skincare. Let me just go in with whatever I see. Before you think of that, please do also watch this video from beginning to the end because I have nice body wash to show you that you can choose whether you have dry skin, whether you have sensitive skin, whether you have oily skin, whether you have any type of skin. This body wash is gonna suit your skin. Okay, before you venture into any product, before you start using any product at all, number one, you have to know your skin type. Like, that is number one thing. You need to know your skin type. Do I have dry skin? Do I have normal skin? Do I have a sensitive skin? What kind of skin do I have? Does my skin react easily to things? Then you will know the kind of products to use. But if you don't know the kind of skin you have, it's going to be really difficult choosing a particular product to use. But if you get these things sorted, it's going to help. Okay, now the next thing is, once you get that particular thing that works for you, my dear, maintain it. Don't allow someone to confuse you or make you go out of the product you've been using, because a person can be easily influenced when it comes to skincare products. Like, not just skincare products, anything at all. If they say this particular thing is working for someone, they just rush to it. If they say this particular thing is working for someone, they just rush to it. You need to know what works for you, and once you get what works for you, please stick to it. You need to know these are the ingredients that when I see in a particular product, it gives me irritation. My skin reacts to them. Then when you are getting any product, you need to look out for those ingredients. It's very simple. Skincare product is not supposed to stress you. Just that you've not studied your skin, you don't know that, okay, these are the things that when I use them, I react to them. In no particular order, let me just go straight into the body wash that I have today. Number one first on my list is this Olay. Let me bring it closer so you guys can see. This Olay. You guys know this Olay night. It has been trending. This particular Olay vitamin C, it has been trending. And I said, okay, let me go get it. Let me go get it, use it, and know what to say about this. Guys, this Olay vitamin C, this is okay, here they said visible better skin in 14 days, based on expert visible dryness trading. This is vitamin C, hydrates instantly for visible redder skin, 24 hours moisturizing body wash. Guys, this body wash is so moisturizing. Like, it's going to hydrate your skin, it's going to moisturize your skin. This is just one thing I love about this one first. This is just what I love about it. It hydrates, it moisturizes the skin. Then personally, what I have to say based on what I've observed is that this vitamin C Olay body wash is not going to brighten you if you don't have a natural fairness. I'm saying this thing so calm so that you will understand. If you know that you are not fair, or you are not, like, your complexion now is not from heaven, it's going to take you back to factory reset. Now, if you also know that you want to brighten your skin, don't go for this. Like, if you do that, oh, okay, now I want to brighten my skin, I want to tone my skin, I want to tone my complexion, this is not for you. It's not going to. But one thing this will do for you is that It's going to polish your skin. It's going to polish your skin. If you're the kind of person that you've built your skin, and when I say built your skin, you've used a very nice product to achieve that complexion. If you've achieved that complexion with a very nice product, you can use this. But if you're the kind of person that is using Caro White, all this stuff, if you start using this one, it just take you back to your normal complexion. This is going to polish your skin. If you have a nice complexion, like your complexion is very, very nice, like you've used well sorted products to get whatever complexion that you have, you can use this. Trust me, it's going to polish your skin. Like, it's going to polish your skin and it's going to blend your skin. If you have any burns, like let me say injury, all those injuries, all those marks on your skin, and it has been there for like forever, just get this. It's going to blend, take them out, polish your skin. I keep using that word polish because I feel like that's what it does. It's going to even out your complexion. But if you want something that will brighten your skin, don't use this, because you will use this so you'll be like, this is not working, but it's working, just as you're using it for the wrong reason. That is one thing. People use products for the wrong reason. If you want to tone your skin, you want to really brighten your skin, and when I say brighten, you want to bleach your skin, there are products you use to bleach your skin and your skin will look really nice. And there are ways to use it and there are times to use it. You don't just come out and use it anytime, then you achieve it. But if you want to use this to achieve that, my sister, my bro, you are joking, because you're not going to achieve that. This is going to polish your skin, even out your skin, blend your skin, like give you that absolute yummy chumps. Like, it's going to really give you a very nice complexion. But if you want to brighten your skin, this is not it. Then another one that I have here is this glow, this by nature glow, healthy glow, vitamin C and niacinamide. It lightens the skin. What I have to say about this particular one is that, you can see it's almost finished. What I have to say about this particular one is that it's going to lighten your skin. As someone that has a good skin, not as someone that wants to start. You know, one thing is that you guys always use, like I said before, you guys always use the wrong product for the right reasons. You want to brighten your skin, you go and get a product that is just going to maintain, just going to like nourish, just going to like, you know, polish your skin and all of that, and you use it as the main product. Trust me, you won't get that result. You can get a very active soap and use it during the like night hours, and then get a very moisturizing, hydrating, you know, nice polishing product for the day, and you will love your skin. You will love the result. But in a situation whereby you keep going for the wrong product for the right reason, you're not going to get it. Let's call a spade a spade. If you want to bleach your skin, you know the products are going to use to bleach your skin, and not just anyhow product. Nice product that is going to bleach your skin and still give you that heaven-made skin, like your skin is going to be popping. Guys, go back and watch the video I made on how I bleached my skin. Like, I wasn't having this complexion, I achieved it because I used the right product. And after getting that tone that you want, just quit using what you used to achieve it, and then move to products like this that will help maintain that complexion that you've achieved. Do you guys understand? Someone will come up and tell you, go and buy Ole, it's going to brighten your skin, it's going to brighten your skin. You say, I want to brighten my skin, what should I use? The person will say, go and buy Ole. Don't tell the person you want to brighten your skin. Explain what you want, and the person will tell you what to use. Because if you come to me and tell me, I want to brighten my skin, first of all, ask you, do you really want to brighten, just to brighten your skin, like something that will just help give you that flawless look, or you really want to take your complexion, like let me say 4, 2, 3 shades? Is that what you want? So you don't come up and tell someone I want to brighten my skin, but deep down you know that you want to bleach your skin. It's not that bleaching is bad. What are you using to tone that skin? If you use the wrong thing to tone the skin, you will regret it. But when you use the right product, it's going to give you amazing results. Now, this one is good if you want to lighten. It's going to lighten your skin. It's going to lighten your skin. But it's not going to give you that pop lightening, You get me? There are products to use to combine. I can decide to use these two. Okay? Use these two together. Very nice. Because I've achieved that look that I want. But if you want something that is going to do a better work, get a more effective product that you can now combine with these two. You can decide to use this one at night, or you can decide to use this one during the day. You know your choice. You know how your days are. If you're always under the sun or something, you know your activities, how it is, then you know when to use them. But you see these ones I brought now, these ones will not give you that brightening you're looking for. You won't see it though. You see that brightening. I know that brightening that is in your heart, baby. It's not going to give it to you, but it's going to help polish your skin. It's going to help give you that classy look, like that classy complexion after you must have used the right thing. Now, if you have a question on, okay, now I want to tone my complexion, I want to tone, what should I use? Drop on the comments. I will tell you the products to use. Then you can now use these ones that I brought to just match it, to just like, give you that pumping look. You get what I'm saying? So if you love this video, if you've watched to this moment and you've not subscribed, hello, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscription button. I'm waiting for you, baby. Hit that subscription button and do what to come back for more amazing products, for more amazing tips. I love you all. Bye.